The WR86-2172GY Wire Shelf Kit from Quantum Storage Systems is a versatile storage solution with its all-welded wire design and extra wire trussing, ensuring enhanced strength for various storage needs. Each shelf in this kit is built for heavy-duty applications, confidently supporting up to 800 pounds for stable and secure storage. The flexibility of the WR86-2172GY allows for shelves to be configured in right angles, straight lines, or back-to-back arrangements, providing versatile and customizable storage solutions. This starter kit comes with 4 posts and either 4 or 5 shelves, with the option to purchase additional shelves separately for expanded storage capacity. Available in multiple finishes including chrome, stainless steel, green epoxy, gray epoxy, and black epoxy, this shelf kit is suitable for diverse environments and aesthetic preferences. Measuring 86 inches in height, 72 inches in width, and 21 inches in depth, the WR86-2172GY offers ample space while maintaining a sleek and organized appearance.